Hey students! So today you're going to be working on your All About Me PowerPoints. And I just want to show you a few things that you can do on Google Slides to make your Google Slides presentations a little more personal and unique. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to choose a theme. So you just click this theme button here, and then you have all of your theme options on the side. So you can choose whichever one you like. It changes the font, it changes the colors. So whatever one is jiving with you today. I like this purple one. So I click on the one I want, and there it is. So now my title slide has a theme. Now I can go ahead and change the title of this. For me, I'm just capitalizing it. I can change the font if I want to a font I like. I can change the size by making it bigger. I can make it bold or unbold, italicized or unitalicized, or I can underline it. I'm just going to keep mine bold. And then by your name here, you're going to delete where it says your name here, and you're going to type in your name. For me, my name is Ms. Zan Backus. Perfect. Now, if I wanted to, I could insert a picture of myself on this first slide. There's kind of two things that I like to do. You could either go to Insert, Image, and then you can use the camera on your computer to take a quick selfie. And I took two, so I can insert both of them. Or what you can do is if you have any pictures of yourself on your computer, you can go to where you have them saved. For me, mine is right here, and you can insert it that way. And you might have to move them around a bit to make them fit. That's okay. You can also choose to make them bigger or smaller if they don't fit. Like if I wanted to make this one really big, I could. Or you can also choose to make them smaller. So I'm going to make both of these a little bit smaller so you can see that nice purple in the background. Perfect. And you can just kind of move them around to make them centered. Awesome. I'm happy with my title slide. So now I can click on the next slide. My favorite part of school is, and for me, my favorite part of school is reading. So I can click here and I can type in my answer. You don't have to make it all capitalized. I'm just really excited about reading. And now let's say I don't have another picture on my computer and I don't want to use another selfie. If I would just want to use a normal Google image, I can go to Insert, Image, and then I can say Search the Web. And now over here, this is just like searching Google Images. I can just search reading and I can see what Google comes up with. Here's a few different choices, and I could choose any of these to insert. I could choose a few of these to insert. Let's say I want this one. I click on it, and then I press Insert, and then there it is in my slide. But it's too big right now, so you have to make it smaller so that you can see the title. So you just grab the corner, and you make it smaller. And then I'm going to put it off to the side so I can still use this text box. I'm going to make the text box smaller too, so it's to the side of the picture. And I can type, my favorite part of school is reading because, and this is where you put your reasoning, why you chose reading. On the next one, it says, on the weekends, I like to, for me, on the weekends, I like to go hiking. Type my answer. And then again, I want to insert some images from the internet. So I go to Insert, Image, and I press Search the Web. And then instead of reading this time, I can search hiking. And now maybe there's a whole ton of images that I like. Maybe I like this one, oops, and this one, and maybe I like this one too. And I get all three, and I press Insert, and all three of them get inserted. But the problem is that they're all on top of each other, right? So I have to choose which one that I want to be the biggest, and I can make the others smaller so that they all fit. Oh, and they're all together. So I can move this one over to the side so it's by itself. Maybe I can make this one smaller. Maybe I decide I don't want one of these anymore. So I just delete the one that I don't want. So let's say that I have this and this one. And then again, just like in the last slide, I can choose to do some typing. So I can make this text box just a little smaller, maybe just write a sentence on this one and say, I like hiking because, and you put your reasoning. Okay, I can move this around, make it look cute, make it centered. All right, so that's adding images. Now, what you want to do after you finished your whole slideshow is you might want to add some transitions. So just like we clicked over here for theme, we can also click over here for transition. And now on this slide, maybe I want to have a dissolve transition, and I can press play to see what that looks like. Cool, I like that. That's cute. Now maybe on the next one, you just click on the next slide. Maybe on this one, I want the fade transition. I press play. And that's how it'll appear when you actually share your presentation. And now maybe on this third one that I made, I want the flip one. And that's how it'll show. So once you're done creating all of your slides and you're ready to present it to your group, you can go back to the first slide. And once you're sharing your screen on Zoom, you can press share. Oops, sorry, that was the wrong button. You can press present. And then you can go through your slides and it'll do the transitions you chose. Okay, so that's just a quick tutorial about how to use Google Slides. I hope you enjoyed it.